Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create string palindrome using Pascal as our programming language. Before we continue, if you are new with my channel, please hit the like button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified when my newly uploaded video, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Okay, so here I'm using Lazarus as my free Pascal now. So it is free to download in the internet as my Pascal compiler. So here I have here a series of comments from line 1 to 5, and then here I have here line number 7, program palindrome, the title of our program, and then from line 9 up to 11 I declared 3 variables: S for string, I and F for integer. So line 12 begin, starting more program, right line 13 will be new line, right line, and then 14 string palindrome in Pascal. This will be the title of our program. From 15 to 16, line number 15 to 16, right line for formatting purposes, and line number 17, F colon equals 0. I just initialize the variable F to 0, and then 18 to 20, where I am asking the user to give a string that will be stored in a variable S. 21 right line here, and line 22 up to 28 I have a for loop statement that will get the length of S and then divide by 2, and then if S, it will be converted actually in an array not equal to S plus S length of S, and we have here then the given string is not a palindrome, variable F colon equals 1 break, and then if F equals 0, the given string begin. The given string is a palindrome, right line, end of program, and period. So the checking of whether the string is not a palindrome actually happens here in this line of code. The for loop statement here, there is a comparison of the string once it is being divided. So let us compile and run our program. So string palindrome in Pascal, give a string, let's say ABA. The given string ABA is a palindrome end of program. Another example, car. The given string car is not a palindrome. Another example of a palindrome word is radar. The given string radar is a palindrome. Our program also accepts numbers. Let's say for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The given string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not a palindrome, but if we will give it 5, 5, 5, it is palindrome. So another example of a palindrome is AMA. The given string AMA is a palindrome, and then 888 give a string. The given string 888 is a palindrome. sad, not a palindrome. But if we have a word of SAS, when we read it forward and backward, it's still a palindrome. So this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you like and learn something new in this tutorial on how to create a string palindrome in Pascal. Thank you very much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code of this string palindrome in Pascal. Until to the next video tutorial guys, this is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.